Hi everyone, through this video I am going to teach you about what is a C++ program and what will be the program syntax and how to write a simple C++ program and how to run it. Let us see what is a C++ program. It is a text file which contains some commands or instructions which is written according to the laws of C++ programming language, and it is stored as a text file, but the peculiarity is it must be stored with extension .cpp. As you save the document files with .doc or .docx, here cpp program must be saved with .cpp. Then during the compilation process, the compiler will create an object file as well as an executable file. The executable file will tells what we wants to be done. It will contain a binary code. See the syntax of a C++ program. C++ program may contain comments. We can write comments anywhere in the program, but it should be prefixed with // if it is a single line comment, and if it is a multi-line comment it should be enclosed within /* and */. This is an example for multi-line comment. This can be written in the beginning of the program. Here you can write the name of the programmer, the program date, creation date can be mentioned here, like that. Within the program also we can write the comments, but the comment should be prefixed with // and this comment won't be executed by the compiler. See, what are the main things we need in a C++ program? We need a hash include statement. For what? Hash include, then angular bracket opening and closing. Within that we need to include or write the header file. Here an example header file is iostream. Why iostream is to be included? The input output functions are defined within this header file, that is cin and cout statements are defined within this header file. These directives are preprocessor directives. When we include this iostream, we can easily write cin and cout statements. Okay. Then the main function starts here. Every C++ program must have a main function. Within the main function, the starting is indicated by an opening brace and ends with a closing brace. Within that we can write C++ statements. Here return 0 is the last statement before the closing brace. What it means? It means it is returned with no error. Okay, see an example program. Here this is the program to display the message hello dear students in the screen, in the output screen. Output will be hello dear students. Here I have used hash include statement. Hash include iostream, the header file is included, then int main function starts here, then within that std scope resolution operator cout. Why it is used std scope resolution operator? Because cout is defined in the standard library. You are using the cout statement from the standard library. Okay, then cout within double quotes you have to write hello students, then return 0. See how the output is going to come. I will do one thing. We are going to Geany Editor. Wait. Go to Applications menu, then select Programming, then choose Geany Editor. The Geany Editor is opened. Here I am going to two editors are there. Okay, here I am copying and pasting that one, or you can type. Okay, hash include IO stream in main of std scope resolution operator cout the message. Here double quotes, backquotes are needed. Yes, I'm going to save this one. Save. Yes, I'm going to save it in a folder. Yes, sorry, desktop class 2. I'm giving the name program 1.cpp. Save. Go to build menu, then choose compile. The compilation is finished successfully. Then click the build button to create an executable file. Then click execute. See the output. The message has came. Okay, hello dear students. Okay, here instead of using this std scope resolution operator, I can use this using namespace std, so that I can avoid std scope resolution operator from here. Cout welcome you all. Okay, yes, and again saving. Well, no errors. Execute. Here came in same line, so we need to use new line operator. Again save, compile, build and execute. See this output. Okay, this is how we can display a message using C++ program with the help of Geany Editor. There is a compiler also. Okay, now you have came to know how to display a message in the screen with the help of a C++ program. Then we are moving to a little bit advanced structure of this C++ program. It is a little bit advanced one. Here we can use hash include directive, then using namespace std, then the main function, and within the opening brace and closing brace we are going to write some declaration statements, input output statements, processing statements, etc. See, with the help of this example program, this is a hash include directive. Here I have included the IO stream header file. Why I have used, already told, to use cin and cout statements. This is an input statement and cout is an output statement. Along with that, before using these variables, I have used the declaration statement. The variables were declared as of type integer. And the input section, I am going to read the values for x and y through the keyboard. and the executable statement, that is sum equals x plus y. The x and y will be added and the result will be stored in sum. Using the output statement cout, I am going to display the result. See, then comes return 0 and the end of main function. I am going to copy this one and I'll go to Geany Editor and I'm going to paste it. I'm going to copy this one to save the time. File new. I'm going to paste it. I am saving this one. Okay, desktop. Going to save program 2.cpp. Okay. Yes. See this one. I'm going to compile with no errors. The same program I have copied from there. Okay, build, then execute. See, I'm going to enter two values, 2 and 3. The output has came, that is sum is 5. Am I right? Okay, I'm using one more output statement here. Cout, enter two numbers. See, the message should come before this statement. Okay, before reading these values for x and y, the message should come. Again I am saving and build, execute. See, the message has came. The output statement is what? 3 and 4. The output is came. Okay, I think now you came to know how a C++ program can be written easily. Okay, by this video we are stopping up to this one. We will come up with next video. Thank you.